Clark International Airport's new passenger terminal building, or PTB, is now 100% complete and is expected to start its operations on 2021. The expansion of the terminal is set to increase the airport's operational capacity and passenger volume from the current 4.2 million to 12.2 million annually, especially now that the government has agreed to lift the ban on non-essential travel for Filipinos. Terry Flores, the corporate communications head of Luzon International Premier Airport or LIPAD, said, before the pandemic in 2019, the airport was reaching its maximum capacity. But when the COVID-19 hit the country, CRK operations such as commercial, domestic, and international flights as well as cargo were halted. They officially resumed operations last June, but with certain regulations as advised by the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines or CAAP, and they're planning to announce new flights that will open by the end of October.
So right now, we are only allowed to accommodate a maximum of 1,500 passengers. So we cannot go over that. And then sometimes there are days that, it's lower.
Flores said they're looking forward to pushing through with all the plans they have made with the new terminal building even before the pandemic.
Projects are in place, plans are in place for recovery, as we call it now. And we are looking forward to actually really pushing through with all the plans that we have made for the new terminal building even before the pandemic hit. What difference will it make in terms of travel through CRK? We are looking at a lot of technology and modernization. Whatever new normal procedure, touchless equipment, there's a lot of gadgets and machines now that will not require any face-to-face interaction between airport personnel and the passengers.
She also spoke about the design of the new terminal building as it was patterned from the lanterns of Pampanga as well as the mountain ranges of Zambales.
As we know, Pampanga is surrounded by lush greeneries with all the rice fields around. And then we have a very, very unique feature with Mount Pinatubo and the Mount Pinatubo Lake now. So we're taking into consideration all the blues and the greens and the grays of the rocks that are coming from the caves and the mountains around Pampanga. And of course, our banner will be the Pampanga Lantern, which the province is known for. So we are bringing a lot of the culture and the environment inside.
She added they want to establish Pampanga's rich culture and create a distinction from any other airport around the world.
Now we want to promote what we call a sense of place. When the airport is complete, this will be the only airport wherein every passenger landing at Clark International Airport will immediately recognize that they are in Pampanga, they are in CRK. They're not in any other international airport.
When it comes to health and safety, Flores claimed they already have a streamlined process and gave the assurance that it is indeed safe to travel via CRK. The new facility is critical for the tourism development and local economy of North and Central Luzon. It will also introduce the area surrounding the region to the international market as they have promoted CRK as Asia's premier gateway.
And with the expansion, we will provide more and more opportunities for trade and business to come in to these regions. There's nothing wrong with passing through Metro Manila, but it's a very, very good alternative. And then everybody's also excited with the train system. So with that combined with the gateway, which is the Clark International Airport, definitely the business and the economy in Central Luzon and Northern Luzon is expected to grow.